So the unique challenges for Watchfinder as a business tend to be around stock. Every piece of stock we have is completely unique, and we have approximately 3,000 items in stock at any given time. So we need to photograph and catalogue every single one of them. We need to keep track of every single one as well, which we do through our back office system. The other things that are unique to the business are the integrity of the watches and also the appearance of integrity online. So we need to provide confidence to our customers, and we do this via various means such as the certification of our service centre to various brand standards, for example Cartier or Audemars Piguet, and also for a brand we're now reaching into offline, such as stores and boutiques within the city, in Bluewater and in Leeds. So the business is going to be growing in a myriad of ways. I mean, we've seen massive growth in the last 12 months already. We've doubled the amount of stock, we've doubled the amount of staff, and we've brought on new accreditations. But going forward, we're looking to reach out internationally. Before we were focused very much on the UK. We've recently launched a .com website and a .com.au website to reach into the US and Australia. The US we see as a very big market for us, and Australia is half the size of the UK. However, it's a very high GDP. We're also looking for another wave of investment, and this time it's going to be a significant round, around about 10 times the round we had before. The technology that we are already starting to implement, the future technology, is machine learning. We have sold around 80,000 watches over the 12 years we've been in business, and we've got a lot of data based on that. We also have provided around 750,000 quotes. So machine learning is being applied to that, and we really see that as the future. So this way, salespeople need to be less involved in deciding the pricing, and we're going to provide a better experience online for the customer as well. As we're going into different markets such as the US and Australia, we are reaching more into the cloud with our technology. We're currently migrating the entire company's computer systems and front-end website and the back office system all onto Azure Marketplace. We're really seeing that as the growth in technology. One of the things that holds us back from making big investments in technology is technology needing to prove its worth, prove its place. A good example would be social media. So organic social media, we've only ever had one sale come directly or indirectly via Facebook. We'd rather focus our attention on other forms such as programmatic, which has shown a lot better promise, bringing a lot more sales. That same sort of ethos goes across the company. So if it's a new technology such as the machine learning that the IT team are bringing in, they need to be able to test and prove their theories very quickly. Otherwise, we don't want to invest in that either time or money if it's not going to show a return on that investment. So comparing the security versus productivity angle, the one thing with us as a business, we have a very, very attractive stock. So we know that at some point we are going to have a loss. This carries through online, that we are a very attractive target to attack, and therefore we are concerned about that. However, having moved all our technology over to Azure recently, we've removed a lot of the vectors for attack from the responsibility of our IT teams and onto Microsoft's much better teams. So we don't need to deal with physical servers anymore. We don't need to deal with biometrics and things like that. It's all dealt with in the cloud. So then productivity becomes the real key and the real concentrated area, and that now then becomes our concern. How do we become and remain productive across multiple sites? From a year ago, 2 years ago, we were one site, one company. We've now got 8 sites and 3 websites as well. The tools that we use to make sure that the website is running as efficiently as possible are, we start with being in the cloud. So we are running across multiple CDNs to make sure that our website is fast wherever you are in the world. Even though we've just reached out our focus beyond the UK, we have been attracting customers across the world from almost the very beginning. So we need to be able to deliver them the website very quickly, very efficiently wherever they are. So technologies such as CDNs, being able to pop up a new cloud instance almost immediately really helps the business keep going. Other technologies such as biometrics and the removing of passwords on our systems are going to make logging in more efficient for every single member of staff.